Hayagriva is the form that Guru Rinpoche used and accomplished in the retreat before he came to Tibet in order to subdue the very powerful spirits. Very powerful. The oracle of Tibet, Nechung, was subdued by Hayagriva practice. So Hayagriva is a direct emanation of Amitabha Buddha. Kri Pema Dache Hayagriva Hulu Hulu Hung Pe. Very, very powerful, this mantra. This one can do without initiation. It has a sadhana, the practice also. So when we do Hayagriva's practice, it's very, very powerful for purifying and protecting us from snake spirits, nagas, which is very common, and sudden diseases, fits, epileptic fits that are caused by spirits, not natural causes. And also very, very powerful, subjugating the environment, subjugating the place, subjugating the area. Very, very powerful. And also in controlling deities. Deities not in light nature, worldly deities. Hayagriva is very powerful for controlling them. So an accomplished Hayagriva Siddha, or one who meditates on Hayagriva and practices it, will be very powerful in controlling spirits, subduing them, and ordering them to do what they want. I mean, of course, good things, stopping them from doing negative things. Hayagriva practice is very powerful in protecting you from obstacles, diseases, interruptions, and problems that arise specifically from naga spirits or snake spirits. Any type of spirits associated with the water or naga beings that you've offended. You know, you on the way home, you pee-peed on some tree and there was a naga there you peed on. Guess what? Next day you got skin problems and you get bad dreams of snakes and all that. Hayagriva is very, very powerful for counteracting any kind of problems that arise from snake spirits, snakes, and his practice is very, very powerful for subjugating very ferocious places, ferocious, dangerous places, places that the environment is dangerous, haunted, scary, bad energy. He's very powerful for subduing that. But on an inner level, he is very powerful if we do his sadhana and practice for destroying anger. Very powerful, absorbing and destroying anger. We finished Hayagriva practice, we're all right.